Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious, easy to make sausage and peppers garlic bread. And yeah, it's amazing. Great appetizer, great for summer, great for spring, fall, or winter. Okay, we're going to get straight into it. So I have sausage patties, but you already know you can use the sausage that you prefer: hot sausage, crumbled sausage, ground sausage, your favorite brand of sausage. But this is the one I'm using, and I'm just going to cook them on each side until they're nice and brown. It doesn't matter if it's cooked all the way through because they are going to cook again. Next, let's work on the filling. While that's going, it's cream cheese, sour cream, some garlic, some pesto, and was that pesto or basil paste? Both works. So either one you have, or if I genuinely forget to put it in my description box, both works. Basil, basil pesto, or basil puree, or even fresh. So now I'm going to grate down in here some fresh garlic, and that's pretty much for the sauce. Keep it nice and simple, and you don't want to over salt this as well. So remember, the cheese has salt, the sausage has salt, so you don't want to overdo it. I don't know, I've just been on a garlic kick lately. I made a short video that I'm actually going to post. It had tons of garlic in it. I don't know, garlic is just my thing right now. Could I be a vampire child? I don't know. But once I added some black pepper, that was it. Mix it up and set it to the side. Right now, basically, I'm just getting everything nice and ready to go so we could put it all together. And yeah, and this is the filling. You can add anything to it too, as a matter of fact. If you want more seasoning or you want to add some other types of cheese, you could do that as well. Now I'm going to remove my sausage from the skillet. They're nice and brown, nice color on them. And, a couple of them might not be all the way cooked through, but again, it doesn't matter because it's going to cook again. And yeah. So this recipe is just so good and delicious and easy to make, you guys, and a little bit goes a long way. This is the baguette that I'll be using. Because I'm making this in the air fryer, I'm cutting it per the size of my air fryer. Now, if you're doing this in the oven, you don't have to do this step. You can do it nice and whole. It'll be even more beautiful. But I'm doing this in the air fryer. Texas is giving blazing, okay? I'm not cutting that oven on ever. So yeah, and so now I'm just gonna slice right down the middle, and that's gonna be the canvas for our filling and our toppings. This is also good with pizza dough as well. So if you don't want to use bread, you can use pizza dough. Okay, be creative, do it how you want to do it. So right here, I'm just smearing the filling right over top. Alright, so once I get it nice and smeared on there, as you can see, the bread fits perfectly on my air fryer tray. And now I'm going to pop it in the oven for about 10 minutes or so, and just get the garlic to wake up and the cream cheese to wake up before we add all these toppings. Right here are the peppers. This is just red pepper and a serrano chili pepper. You can use the types of peppers you prefer. Those are the two I went with, and they paired awesome together with this sausage, so you're good to go. So I'm cutting up my sausage with some kitchen shears, and just like small chunks, small cubes, and they're not perfect. And now, as you can see, the garlic is nice and woken up. The cream cheese has woken up as well. You have a little browning around the edges. And now you're going to add the cheese. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Make sure you guys check that out. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and tell me what you think about this recipe if you like this one, okay? Yeah, tell your friends, tell your family, tell your coworkers. Subscribe to Misha's Corner so you could wake it up in your house, okay? So now I'm adding the sausage on top of the cheese and peppers. And I'm going to pop it back into the air fryer, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. You're not getting this at the corner store or any restaurant. Look at the quality, okay? You ask for some garlic bread from any pizza place, it's not going to look like this, okay? It's not going to look like your favorite sandwich shop. Okay, so but yeah, it looks nice and melty, nice and cheesy. Look at the peppers. The bread is nice and crusted. The sausage is cooked all the way through. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you love this one, let me know what you think below, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.